lion, yeah.
Kinging it. Rule your own world.
Holy Mother City, what have we done? Look at the state of it, Craig. That is all you, my friend. What are we doing today then?
So this morning, we're actually going on a free walking tour. They offer these in the hostel, which is really cool.
Hang on a minute, what did you say? Walking tour?
You love a walk, don't you?
I'm just gonna stay here then, and then I'll meet you when you get back then.
I got your collar and lead in the bag. Fine. So this is actually a freedom apartheid tour. So they tell you all about apartheid because we know a little bit about it, but we want to, we want to get clued up.
Yeah.
For the masses. Do you know what I mean?
So we might actually learn something today.
You might learn something.
Have we ever done that? I don't think we have.
When you open a book for once.
We might even give some information out today.
You never know.
Don't listen to it, it'll be wrong. So it's actually our hostel that puts this on. A guy goes round, I think most hostels, picks everybody up and then we do it together. I have no idea how long it is. Hoping it's about 20 minutes, I have got my sketches on though, because Craig loves these so much. They're walking shoes at the end of the day, I gotta wear them. Alright, so in your best South African accent.
I don't want to offend anyone, but this is actually my favourite accent in the world.
It
South
is,
African.
isn't it?
It's so cool.
So cool.
Every time I hear people speak, I'm like...
And everyone speaks so differently, and you kind of know when people are from like Johannesburg or Cape Town, like they're different accents, isn't they?
You know the difference, do you?
I think I do, I
don't think you do.
Go on, you say that bit and I'll tell you where you're from.
No.
What does that mean though?
I don't know, but it's mad. There's actually languages here that there's like click languages. There's a few in like Africa.
Yeah.
And I was in the supermarket the other day and this guy was arguing with his girlfriend and he's like, I was like, that's so cool.
Yeah, but we've decided now that we think it's thank you. So every time...
I don't think he was saying thank you.
No, well no, but you have to dab and do a click. That's thank you.
So, a unique South African story built on a struggle and offering walkers an experience to see how hope grew in the conflict in the mother city.
That is really good. Honestly, there's such a hard
Where am I from
accent.
then?
Oh, like Poland. Hello, my name is Amy and I'm here for the free walking tour, please.
Quite a lot of people have turned up for this. It's mad. Showing the family photo. First lesson of the day. It's pronounced apartheid, not apartheid. It's not an ocean.
Is it?
It's a movement. So there you go.
I did not know that.
There's a little piece of the Berlin Wall. You guys have impressed me on this before. You used to hear.
What does apartheid mean?
Apartheid means the separation. There's a lot of walls, I think, that was put up around Cape Town that we're going to learn about today. No, that's not right. What?
So Desmond Tutu was a bit of a legend, wasn't he?
I feel like if we ever had a kid, his middle name would be Desmond Tutu.
So our informational retainableness, isn't that good? Is that a word?
Yeah.
Apparently our Desmond was the first black, what was it?
Archbishop of a lot of the
Anglican church.
Of a lot of the Anglican churches. And he would stand up every Sunday and preach, and it doesn't matter what colour you were allowed into his church, and he would like strongly preach about how you should love your neighbours. And he was a good guy, like he wanted the best for everybody.
And he's still alive today.
He's still alive.
He's 88.
Yeah.
So we finished the tour and the lady, she's really good. You should definitely do that tour. We learned loads. But she told us about this place called the Eastern Food Bazaar, which all the locals come to for food, and it's super cheap. There's loads of different options. There's like Turkish food, Indian food, Chinese food, and it looks banging. So we're about to get a little feast.
Oh yeah, FYI, make sure you pay before you go get your food, or you'll be waiting for 45 minutes like we were. Yay! Oh, it looks good. It looks good.
A little falafel pizza.
Falafelness, is it?
Yeah. It's cheap here, it's really cheap. 2 drinks and 2 meals is like 120. So
that is good.
How much is that? Like £5?
No, a bit more than that. I got like a little chicken. I never ever know how to say it. Shawarma, shashwarama, shashi warama. So now we're back. and we're Nelson Mandela's biggest fans. We're
I was his fan anyway. But...
gonna watch his speech and everything. That's where we were about an hour ago. That is incredible, isn't it?
Afternoon, so we popped home for a little refresh.
Don't lie, we napped, okay?
And now we're at one of the oldest wine vineyards in Cape Town.
Groot Constantia. So it's spelt like that, Groot. But yeah, it looks wonderful. I'm a bit gutted because if you watch King in it, you probably know that I love flying. I really love flying, but I'm a bit anxious about it. So I'm now on anxiety tablets because we fly home tomorrow and I can't mix them with alcohol. So you're on your own today, fella.
I'll take one for the team,
I'm
it's fine.
so gutted. This place looks incredible. Like, if you're coming to South Africa, one of the things to do is a wine tour. It's supposed to be the best wine in the world. So I'm truly disappointed in myself right now that I can't taste any of them. But you can have a great time, Craig.
I'm gonna have a go, yeah. So we came and met Steve from Animal Ocean and Monique, and we had some food with them this morning, and they're the ones who recommended this place.
Yeah.
So I've already had one glass, which was bloody beautiful.
He's so sophisticated. Red wine he drinks. Will you please?
Don't mess with me, bro. I will knock your wine head off. So I'm here for my mum, really, because I'm going to take some wine home for my mum. My mum loves a red.
Yeah, and she loves
a
South African
Shiraz.
wine. That's right.
It's her favourite. So this one's for you, mum.
You get to keep the glass as well, which is really cool.
Going to a funeral today, you?
Welcome, my name is Jacques. Let's focus on the 3 white blocks. The grey blocks are not for tasting.
You do look so sophisticated, babes. What are you feeling?
It's good, that is. I mean, I'm no like wine explanator now, but it just tastes good, you know?
We'll be able, what can you taste though? What
It's
kind
like
of?
strawberries at the back of the tongue.
Got a lovely red berry, bit of strawberries at the back of the tongue. Aerator. Okay, yeah.
Great.
You don't like red wine, no?
My palate is not
You're not that posh, I get it.
adult enough.
Don't gargle it.
It's got like a little black peppery sting. Do you know what I mean?
No.
Gets like it like goes in, like bounces around your tonsils, flies off your tongue into your palate, and then it goes bam bam. Thank you, bam.
We'll take full
Bit of black
bottle.
pepper. You like this one, Jude? I'll get you a bottle. Don't worry about it.
You can get 6 for a discount. I don't work here. I don't work here.
Can you actually? Yeah. So this is the big dog. This is the flagship wine. The Governor's Reserve.
Oh, that smells like it. I don't like that. Your teeth are black.
Smokiness. You get a little like dustiness on the nose, a little tingling of the earlobes, a little vibrating of the throat.
Alright, let's get you home.
Only left a bloody bag, didn't she? Jog on, son. Over to you, kid. Do you reckon we should go up Table Mountain tonight or what?
Table Mountain?
Keen for that?
Yeah, that'd be lovely actually.
Why is there a pasty?
A pasty?
What's that doing there?
Oh, I'll have that.
What's happening, guys? So we're finishing off the day with a little cable car to the top of Table Mountain.
Oh, Table Mountain. I keep on calling it Tabletop Mountain. Craig gets really angry with me.
I'm like, what's Tabletop Mountain, mate? It doesn't exist. So it looks quite scary. There's like, it's mad. The clouds are like inverting over the mountains. Look at that.
The weather though, it's just so crazy how just different it changes like really quickly. So
how different it changes really quickly.
Yeah, that's what I said. So I thought it was going to be warm, but we're absolutely freezing, didn't we?
We are not prepared for this. We both got like skirts and shorts on.
I feel like I look like Florence Nightingale. This is my just get out of bed look, you know, you just stick whatever on and hope for the best. It does look like a nightie, but I just don't care because I'm comfy. Hang on, are you afraid of heights? The floor is moving. Like obviously as you're going up it turns like 360 degrees, so talk about travel sick crazy. I'm fine, I'm fine.
really cool though, because usually on these cable cars, one person will get the good spot and no one gets a chance to like take photos or see out of it. But because it rotates, everyone gets his chance in a different spot, do you know what I mean?
You're so caring, Craig.
Whoa!
We're above the clouds, Craig.
Mate, how good is this?
It's amazing. I don't think you get... Oh, whoa, look at that down there.
Oh my god, this is so awesome. This goes so quickly as well. Look how fast we're going up past these rocks. I'm not being funny, I think that is one of the best views I've ever seen in my life. I know we probably say that on every episode, but I'm blown away, mate. I feel like we climbed the mountain, but we didn't. We got a cable car, which is even better, especially for Amy. This is madness. Ended up in the gift shop, haven't we? Always about shopping with you, innit?
Hey, we only come in here because you were freezing. You're like, what clothes can we buy? And I was like, it's going to be about 50 quid for anything. But found this. So I was Pinteresting tabletop mountain, and a lot of people have that tattooed on them because that's the shape of the table mountain. Let's try this.
Let me see it. You didn't show me. You're gonna get a tattoo there?
Maybe. Might do. It's been a wonderful trip. Don't look at my head. Don't look at my head.
Good shape of that dome.
Oh, it's lovely and warm. What are you saying?
I mean,
Still cute though?
looks like you're wearing a cut off piece of your nan's trousers on your head.
Sold.
There's a full-blown canteen in here and they've got everything. There's like wine and chocolate and
There's cake.
coffee and cake.
Did you see the cake though? They're amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, but it closes at 6:30, so FYI. We're those annoying customers, they're like wiping the floors and putting the chairs up and we're in here like, can we get a coffee please? So come here early.
What's that noise?
Why does it sound like the world's about to end?
Do we need to leave or?
What is that? Why is there no one here?
I don't know.
What the hell's going on?
Got over the fancy ass. No tea, no tea. Oh my goodness, so look at it, it's incredible.
Okay, we're running for the exit because we're hoping we haven't missed the last ride down. Look at that view, so good.
And just as the sun's going down and comes out, we in the queue to go back down. You do wonder why they have the last one at 7 o'clock when that happens at 7 o'clock, you know?
It's annoying, it must balance out at like some time of the year where like the sun sets like early and they're open later than that, but this is what people come up here for and you don't actually get to see it because you've got to get
I know,
back
this
down.
is the shot though, look how beautiful that is. This place is just so insane.
Our time in South Africa has sadly come to an end. We couldn't have picked a better place to celebrate Amy's 10 years being cancer-free. It's been emotional and it's been very beautiful. Thanks for having us, Cape Town. We'll be back very soon.